Okay, so this audition piece is for the mechanical Nightingale. This one it's artificial and it's representing idolatry. So the queen gets this present and it's a very shiny version of the original Nightingale, and everyone in the kingdom is fascinated by it because it's the first mechanical thing they've ever seen, and it kind of seems similar to the Nightingale, but it's got this strange, unnatural feeling to it. So in this piece, you are a bird, but you're mechanical, so your movements are very stiff and sharp, and yeah, that's it. So now we'll go through the walkthrough. Okay. You first start here in kind of a doll position, like getting ready to be wound up. The queen, in the beginning of this, you're imagining the queen walking around you. And then you take your first step here, trying not to move here. Then you come up to Susu, very sharp and quick. Then you hit into arabesque, quickly take your first starting position again. Really a lot of angles. Forward, back, Susu, out. So then you're gonna do échappés. This is all on point, by the way. Me and my friend both have injuries, so we're not able to record this one on point. So whenever you can do point, do it. So échappé, 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 échappé. Then you're gonna take slow bourrées with very straight arms, very purposely picking up your knees, then quick around, sharp down. Then you're gonna come, this is on point, one foot, other foot, back with your hips, stay back. You're gonna open up and teeter. 3 till the 8 count. Then you're gonna brush into attitude. Then you're gonna hop, attitude, hop, attitude, hop, attitude. Step through to Susu. Brush back, Sutanu, lean back. Bring your arm through. Chugs backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cabriole, or kick, whatever that is. Quick pas de bourrée. Prepare and hold. 4 piqués. 2, 3. The fourth one, piqués, pulls into passe. Hold. Turn. Then you're gonna pull into Susu. Do 4 of these jumps, hops on point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down, jeté, jeté, pas de bourrée. Repeat to the other side. Hop, 2, 3, 4, jeté, jeté, pas de bourrée. Slide out, bow, up, and you're finished.